Good morning children. Now we are going to see question number 9. An airplane propeller rotates 1000 times per minute. Number of rotations per minute is 1000. Given number of rotations per minute is 1000 times. Okay. And find the number of degrees that a point on the edge of the propeller. Edge of the propeller na ஒரு airplane propeller இருக்குனா அதோட edgeனா sideல circle shapeல இருக்கும் சுத்தும் போது it rotates in circular shape. ஓகேவா circle shapeல சுத்தும் பொழுது இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு edgeனா side அந்த sideல ஓகேவா அங்க ஒரு பாயிண்ட் எடுத்துட்டோம்னா edge of the propeller will rotate in 1 second. அப்போ அது 1 secondல எத்தனை டிகிரி கவர் பண்ணணும்ன்றதான் क्वेश्चन. எவ்வளவு distance கவர் பண்ணணும்ன்றது கேள்வி கிடையாது. What is the degree which is covered by the point on the point on edge of the propeller is the question. Okay, so 1 second la question கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So we are going to convert this number of rotations into per minute into seconds. Let me convert like this: number of rotations per second. 1 second is nothing but per second. Second convert panna minute 60 divided by 60. Okay, number of rotations in 1 second is 1000 by 60. So degree in 1 second, degree in 1 rotation. ஒரு rotation போனோமா degree என்ன கவர் ஆகும் அந்த edge இல்ல அது ஒரு one time full rotate ஆகணும்னா one full rotation போயிட்டு வரணும். What is a degree? That is 360 degree. ஓகேவா so one rotation க்கு 360 degree னா இத்தனை rotation க்கு number of rotations in 1 second க்கு எத்தனை டிகிரி அவ்வளவுதான். so simple. okay, so degree in one rotation is 360 னா degree in 1000 by 60 rotations is what? Is what? That should be multiplied with 1000 by 60. 360 into 1000 by 60. Cancel this. 6 times 6000. 6000 degree is the answer. And you are going to give the answer way like your question only. Number of degrees that you point on the edge of the propeller rotate in 1 second. Degree in 1 second. See 1 second க்கு தான் இத வந்து number of rotations சொல்றோம். அப்ப இந்த number of rotations நம்ம மறுபடியும் மாத்தி 1 second எழுதலாம். Nothing wrong. Okay. Degree in 1 second is 6000 degree. Clear everybody? See first you are given number of rotations per minute or in 1 minute. Number of rotations in 1 minute. In 1 minute is 1000. Number of rotations in 1 second. In 1 second. So now degree in one rotation. We all know that one rotation is 360 degree. Okay. So number of rotations 1000 by 60 now. What is the degree? Okay, 6000. That again you are going to give as per your question. Instead of number of rotations you can write 1 second. That's all. Is it clear everybody? Question number 10. A train is moving on a circular track of 1500 meter radius at the rate of 66 km per hour. So circular track radius is 1500 meter and rate is nothing but speed 66 km per hour. Let me write the given data like this. Question number 10. Circular track radius R 1500 meter. Speed. Train is moving at the rate of 66 km per hour. Since this is meter, you can convert it initially. Kilometer can be converted into meter. By hour can be converted into seconds. Because you are asked the question in seconds. What is the angle it will turn in 20 seconds is the question. So I am going to convert this hour into seconds. Seconds conversion 3600. Okay. Now the unit has become meter per second. Okay. Unit change பண்ணனும் இந்த டேட்டாவும் change பண்ணனும். This is nothing but the speed. Okay. Now what is the angle which turns in 20 seconds? அதாவது இந்த circular trackல இப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு ட்ரெயின். ஓகே, சப்போஸ் இங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுதுன்னா இங்கேருந்து 20 செகண்ட்ஸ் வரும்பொழுது வாட் இஸ் த ஆங்கிள் மேட் ஹியர்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்கே வந்து நிற்குதுன்னு வைங்களேன், அப்போ இந்த இடத்துல என்ன ஆங்கிள் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது இஸ் த கொஷின். ஆஃப்டர் 20 seconds வாட் இஸ் த ஆங்கிள் ஃபார்ம்ட் இஸ் த கொஷின். ஓகே, ஆஃப்டர் 20 seconds டைரெக்டாக தீட்டா கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது இட்ஸ் இம்பாசிபிள். ஆஃப்டர் ஃபைண்டிங் திஸ் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆர்க் லென்த் இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆர்க் லென்த்தை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணால் தான் we can go for finding the theta value. Okay, what is the angle is the question to you, that directly you cannot find it. You can find only after finding the arc length. Okay, now arc length is nothing but the formula, that is S is equal to, distance is equal to speed into time. If you want to get this distance, this is nothing but distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Well known formula. Sit time. Distance equal to speed into time. You are asked to get the angle after 20 seconds. So let me take the time as t 20 seconds. Speed here is 66. Here you can cancel this too. 660 by 36 into time is 20. Okay, 6 6 are 36. Here 100. Here again you can cancel. 3 2s are 10 2s are 11 by 3 meter. Distance only, no. So this distance is nothing but arc length. This distance is nothing but arc length. You can write it here. அதாவது இங்கேருந்து இங்கே வர டிஸ்டன்ஸை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம், ஆர்க் லென்த்னு சொல்லலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு யூ கேன் யூஸ் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஃபார்முலா and finally you can name it as arc length. Okay, arc length S is nothing but distance is nothing but 1000 by 3 meter. Simplify carefully and get the answer. Okay, now we are going to find the angle by using the formula theta is equal to S by R. Now we have received S value. What is the value of S? Look here children, S value is 1100 by 3 divided by R value is 1500 here. Okay, now I am going to reciprocal this into 1 by 1500. If you cancel these zeros, this is 11 by 45 and we all know that theta value is in radian. Okay, here your question is what is the angle in 20 seconds. If you want you can leave the answer like this, otherwise you can give the degree measurement also. அது என்ன நோட்டேஷன் அவங்க கொடுக்கல, டிகிரி மெஷர்மெண்ட்டா ரேடியன் மெஷர்மெண்ட்டா, they didn't give a specific answer, but we are going to give both the answers for our safety purpose. Okay, so 11 by 45 into what, 180 by 5. 11 by 45 into 180, 22 by 7 is 7 by 22. This is 2 times 11 times. Here you can cancel this for 4 times. You can cancel this again 2 times. Answer is 14 degree. Okay, the answer for this is 14 degree. So angle in 20 seconds. That way also you can write here. Angle in 20 seconds is nothing but theta is nothing but 14 degree is the answer. Is it clear everybody? Yes.